Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today's video will be recursion. We will study about what a recursion is and how we can write a code for recursion. And I will try to explain the recursion in as simplest language as possible. Okay, so first of all, I want to tell you that what is the recursion. Okay, so recursion is when a function calls itself again and again. Okay, till we force it to stop. So by the definition, I hope you all understood that what a recursion. Now let's take an example. Okay, I will write a code and I will try to explain the things with the help of a code. Okay, so first of all, what is this? This is the header file. Okay, stdio.h. You all know that. Now after that, what is this? This is a function declared. Okay, or we can say this is the function defined. Okay, function definition. I will write everything in the comment. Okay, this is function definition. Okay, now you can see in this function what's happening. Okay, this function is taking one argument, or this function is having one parameter, that is a, and that a is of integer type. Okay, it means whenever we will call this function, we will pass one argument and that argument should be of integer. Okay, this is the return type of function and this is the name of a function, that is sum. This is the name of the function. Okay, now first of all, here what I am doing, I have provided a condition. You all know that recursion is when a function calls itself again and again. Okay, so whenever a function calls again and again, the most possible situation in that case is it will stuck in a loop. It will stuck in an infinite loop because it will keep on calling again and again and again, and compiler does not know where to stop. Okay, so we have to provide him or provide it some condition. Okay, that condition is when the value of that variable or that parameter which you have passed, okay, is greater than 0, and this is a logical and operator, means it will only give true result whenever both the statements are true, or in general language I can say it will only run, this condition will only work because there are two conditions. First is a greater than 0, second condition is a less than is equal to 5. These two conditions or this if statement will only work if both these two conditions are true. If any one of them is false, it will break. Okay, or it will not run. Now a is greater than 0 and a less than is equal to 5. Okay, now if let's take an example, if this condition is true, if I am giving a number that is 3. Okay, so first of all, focus on this. If this condition is true, so it will print recursion is happening and it will print the value of a. After that, return, you all know that a function will return something, so it will return a plus sum a minus 1. now इस लाइन को ध्यान से देखना ज़रा. Okay, now look at this line carefully, sum a minus 1. Now here I am calling the function again inside the function. I am calling a function itself inside that function. This is the function sum int a, and I am calling that same function inside itself. Okay, so let me come to the logic in later part. Okay, after that, if this condition fails, it will run the else part, that is it will return the value of a. Okay, now int main, this is the main function of a C program. After inside this, okay, I have declared a variable that is the result. Okay, you can name it anything according to you. Okay, so I have declared a variable here, return, and here what I am doing, I am calling a function by passing an argument as 3. You all know that I have given here parameter that is a, that is of integer type. Okay, so I have to pass here some integer value. Okay, so this is I am calling a function by value 3. Now after this line, this function will this compiler will jump to 4th line where it will pass the argument to this parameter. Now this 3, whatever value you have passed, is stored inside this int a. Okay, now inside this variable. Now whatever operations you want to perform, you will use this integer a variable inside this function. Okay, so now it will come to this condition, if a greater than 0 and a less than is equal to 5. So a value passed was 3, and 3 is greater than 0. Yes, 3 is greater than 0, and a less than is equal to 5 means 3 less than is equal to 5. Yes, it is true. So if it is true, it will work. Now first thing it will do is printf recursion is happening. It will print this line and print the value of a. The value is 3. It will print 3. It will print recursion is happening and value of a is 3. After that /n is used to go to the new line. Okay. Now after this, after the execution of this line, it will come to this part of the function. So in this part, the function will return a plus sum a minus 1. Okay, now I will write in the comment, the value of a in the previous line was 3 plus sum 3 minus 1, that is 2. Means now I am calling the sum function inside the sum function again with the help of some value, and that value is 2. Means the value is reduced by 1. Okay, so now the value is 2. So it will again, after this line, it will again go to the fourth line. Now int a is having the value 2. Previously it is having the value 3. Now it will become 2. Now if a greater than 0 and a less than is equal to 5, yes, it is true. 2 is greater than 0 and 2 is also less than is equal to 5. So it will again print recursion is happening %d, and this time it will print the value of a as, previously it was 3, this time it will print the value of a as 2. Okay, it will again come here, return a plus sum a minus 1. So this time it will do return a. The value of a becomes, in the previous line is 2 plus again sum of a minus 1, means sum of 2 minus 1 is 1. It will again call the function. Okay, now this time it will pass the value of it will pass the parameter or value as 1. Okay, so this one value will go inside int a again. It will come here a greater than 0 and a less than is equal to 5. So yes, obviously a is greater than 0 and a is also less than is equal to 5. So it will again run, it will print recursion is happening and the value of a will be 1. Okay, now again it will come to this line, a plus sum a minus 1. Okay, in the third step it will be 1 plus sum of a minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now this 0 will go inside int a. It will come here, return a greater than, if it will come here if condition a greater than 0 and a less than is equal to 5. So you can see a is not greater than 0 because we are passing the value of a as 0 here and a is also 0. So we have created a condition here, that is a should be greater than 0. So condition fails here. Okay, condition fails here, so it means the if condition will not run. Now else part will run. So else it will return the value of a, and the value of a will be calculated by 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4 plus 1, that is 5. 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, now it will return the value. So that value will be stored inside this result variable. Now I will print sum of verb number is result. So you can see here the output is, first of all, when it is run, it will print returning is recursion is happening 3 2 1. After that, at last it will print the value which is returned by the function after the breakage of the condition. That value returned is 6. Okay. So I hope you all understood with the help of this example. The video is getting long, so let's end this video here. I hope I will be back with a new video soon. Thank you.